Welcome to my channel. Hi. In order to help you speak basic English, we have collected Urdu to English sentences for daily use. After learning these English sentences with Urdu translation, you will be able to speak English on different occasions. So let's get started. Easy English practice. He has no house to live in.
इसके पास रहने के लिए घर नहीं।
He has no house to live in. Fools praise fools.
गधा गधे को खुजाता है।
Fools praise fools. Keep off the grass.
घास पर ना चलिए।
Keep off the grass. Time once lost cannot be regained.
गया वक्त फिर हाथ नहीं आता।
Time once lost cannot be regained. Is it late?
क्या देर हो गई है?
Is it late? May I sit here?
क्या मैं यहां बैठ सकता हूं?
May I sit here? Train is out of sight now.
गाड़ी अब दिखाई नहीं दे रही।
Train is out of sight now. He went on Monday.
वो सोमवार को गया।
He went on Monday. He died of cholera.
वो हैजा से मरा।
He died of cholera. It has been raining since morning.
सुबह से बारिश हो रही है।
It has been raining since morning. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon for more.